Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to make a Facebook post shareable so that anyone can share it on their timeline, in groups, or anywhere else. First, open the Facebook app on your phone or visit the Facebook website on your computer. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile by tapping the menu icon. Now, scroll through your timeline and find the post you want to make shareable. If the share button is missing, it means the post is currently restricted to certain people, such as friends or only me. To change this, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the post. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Edit Privacy. On the next screen, you'll see different privacy options. These include Public, Friends, Friends Accept, Only Me, and Custom. If your post is currently set to Friends, only people on your friend list will be able to see and interact with it. To allow anyone to share your post, select the Public option. This makes your post visible to everyone, even those who are not on your friends list. If it does, anyone can now share your post on their timeline, in groups, or via messages. Keep in mind that making a post public means anyone can see and share it, even people who are not on your friends list. That's it. Now you know how to make a Facebook post shareable in just a few simple steps. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more social media tips. See you in the next one.